Italian meatloaf in my slow cooker. That's what I'm making today. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to be making a new recipe in my slow cooker. It's Italian meatloaf and it sounds delicious. I got this recipe from my Fix It and Forget It cookbook. If I can find it, I'll list it in the description box down below. So if you like content and recipes like this, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first you want to take a long piece of foil. You want it long enough that it will reach outside of your pot. Spray our crock pot. And put our foil in and spray it. Now I've got 2 pounds of ground beef, and to that I'm going to add 2 cups of soft breadcrumbs, and that's about 3 slices of your regular white bread. We want to add a half a cup of spaghetti sauce, any of your choice. We want a large egg. Fourth a cup of parmesan cheese, grated. And about a half of a small onion that I finely chopped. I just put mine in my little mini chopper. Alright, we need a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Alright, we need 1½ teaspoons of salt. A teaspoon of garlic powder. I say a heaping. I like garlic. We need a ½ teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I do have a heaping of that also. And now you just want to mix all this together. You don't want to over mix, but you don't want your meatloaf to be too tough. But I think it'll be fine. We'll just mix and turn until everything's incorporated and mixed well. Now we just want to form this into a loaf. Smells good. We'll just push it down a little bit into our crock pot. See that? And now I'm just going to take probably about another couple of tablespoons of that pasta sauce and spread it on top. Now I'm going to put my lid on. And I am going to cook this on high for 2.5 to 3 hours, or low on 5 to 6. So I'm going to do it on low because I'm early this morning. And I'll see you then. Well, here it is. Doesn't that look good? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So until next time, bye y'all. Well, it ended up tasting very good. The only thing I would have done differently is I would have put more spaghetti sauce on top. Until next time, bye y'all.